how to turn off Gemini on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Gemini on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, simply scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on Gemini. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to select digital assistants from Google option. And now here in this section, you'll see two options. From here, you can simply select Google Assistant and confirm it by tapping on switch. And now here, once you tap on that, the Gemini will be turned off. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.